Hello, James Wooldridge from the Fleet Safety Academy here in York with another Fleet Risk Management Nugget for you. I hope you can take these pieces of best practice guidance and use them to keep your drivers and your vehicles in one piece. I'm at the University of York today and there's a huge amount of research and teaching going on here that I know absolutely nothing about. And that links to the old adage, you don't know what you don't know. And that's the same with drivers for your organisation. They need to know your expectations on driving behaviour. They need to know what good looks like. So you need to tell them what standard they need to meet. I call this the awareness section of the Fleet Safety Academy Collision Prevention Programme. You need these regular touch points with employees who drive for your organisation. Those touch points need to communicate the standard of driving you require, and that communication process is the secret sauce for preventing collisions. If you have cameras and telematics fitted to your vehicles, or if your drivers have an app to use when they're driving their company car or van, you need to keep the communication going. What do the scores from those technology systems mean? How can driving performance be changed to improve the score? These conversations will keep your driving performance at the front of the driver's mind. Build in incentive schemes, introduce a driver handbook, provide positive feedback on driving performance. These are all steps you can take to raise the awareness of driving standards with your drivers. If you need some inspiration and some template documents to help you along the way of raising the driving performance of your employees, join the Fleet Safety Academy. Go to fleetsafetyacademy.co.uk for more details. Thank you.